Hello, today I'm going to go over a few features on the 2018 Ford F-150 King Ranch. Up on top here, right above the panel, you'll see 4 different modes. I'll explain these to you. On the left here, if you press that, you'll see your hill descent control ready. And then to turn it off, just press this, it'll turn off. So that's a nice feature to have, a hill descent. And then this one right here, press that. And that's your traction control. So that's traction control off. Traction control on. And then here is the auto stop start. And you can activate that with a switch, or you can deactivate it by just pressing it one more time. It'll deactivate it. Then also here is pretty cool, your camera, you get different camera views. So there's one camera view. There's another camera view. Third, and it takes you back to the main screen. So yes, the 2018 Ford F-150 King Ranch has a lot of options. It's a very nice vehicle. Thank you.
PA's #1 Ford store, Twin Pine Ford.